Hi everybody. So here's the girls playing chicken tetherball. What you doing, Winnie? Winnie, go play. So this is a really easy game I invented, or I don't know if I invented it, but you take a 1 liter bottle. Let me see if I can get a little closer for you. And put a little hole here in the top, run a wire through, and a hole. I really like this game. Raisins with a little hole in the bottom. This one actually has 2, but depending on how good they are at it, you might want to make more or less holes. And put raisins or their favorite treats inside. You can kind of adapt the hole to fit whatever you're using. Scratch or raisins or even some veggies. And keeps them busy. And keeps them from getting too bored in the wintertime. All right, thanks for watching.